In this video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. That is quite simple and easy to know, so let's begin. Here I got two devices and let me show you two ways how to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. First way to know it: when I open up the conversation, now that person blocked me, and here you see the profile picture of that person. But if I open up conversation and tap here on person's name, there I'm not able to see the profile picture of that person, and that means that this person blocked me on WhatsApp. And there is the second way how you can know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. When you write a message to that person, you see here just one gray check mark. If you got just one gray check mark, it means that that person blocked you on WhatsApp. So let me unblock and see that now the photo immediately was appeared here when I tap on the person name. Now I see the photo, and now if I send a message, here I immediately got two gray check marks. It means that this person doesn't block me on WhatsApp. I hope it helps you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.